channel. My name is Mendi Tabekulunkala. On this video, I'll just do a little intro since this is my first YouTube video that I'm going to upload. So guys, I am a wife, I am a mother, and then my content will be about mainly cleaning, home decor, home prep meals. Yes, if you're also motivated about that kind of content, just comment on the section down below and let's motivate each other. I didn't want to do a long intro, so I will do my kitchen count. I want to decorate my kitchen counter and give it a bit of life. So this is what I'm going to use. I'll need this contact paper. I bought this from Builders. I think it was about 38.99, marble gray. I got two of those, and then I just have this card, and then I have razor blades and my scissor. So guys, let's get into it. And guys, I think if you are renting an apartment or something, this is actually a good idea to change things because it's not a permanent thing. So I actually like how it came out. So guys, now I'm just going to add my little accessories that were very affordable. I got most of them from Pep Home. Yes. So I'll start with my mini chopping board. I think I bought it at Pep Home. Yo, I don't remember the price. What is 36 rand? I don't remember. Yeah, but somewhere there. And then I have these white canisters. I bought 3 at first, and then I was looking for a utensils container, but I couldn't find one. Not that I couldn't find one, they were expensive. So I decided to go back at Pep Home and get this one. At first they were 29 rands, but now they are selling for 34.90, so they are 35 rand now. And then these wooden spoons, these ones were going together. I like this gray part at the bottom. They were going together for 29.99, and then this one with the heart was 18.99. They're actually very nice. And then this one is just the old one that I have. It's a bit empty, so I think I will fill it as the time goes by, because I think it's a bit empty. And I think I'm going to look out for more chopping boards. I think they are really nice, not just one. I really like them for decorating purposes, not for chopping. And as I've mentioned, I have 2 girls, and these ones that we can all use them. I can send them here in the kitchen without being worried that they'll break them actually. I like the size of them. And guys, I have this kitchen towel holder that I bought from Sheet Street. Was it Sheet Street? Yes. I like the fact that the color is sort of fading, but then again it matches my utensils, my chopping board, you know, and the lids of these canisters. I like it a lot compared to those metal one. I think it actually looks nice with my kitchen. And I like this part, guys. It's easy to tear away this part here. I don't know where should I put it. Maybe here I will do for now. And then I have my Bennett red kettle that I bought from Game. I think it was 400 rand, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So guys, this is my kitchen counter that I did in less than 30 minutes. I don't know what you guys think, but for now I'm happy. I'll do add a few things as the time goes by, but guys, look at that. It's so clean. I can easily see the spots now compared to this previous dark gray, dark black or marble what there was there. Now I can easily see when it's dirty, dirty, or when something has been split on it. I really like it. I really like it, guys. Let me just take a closer look. Look at that. So guys, we've come to the end of the video for today. I'll see you next Saturday. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.